Hi, my name is Mathias from the Electoral Reform Society Cymru, ERS Cymru. Another day, another beautiful part of Wales, and another school to talk to as part of our project, Our Voice is Heard, where we're going to be going into 10 schools throughout Wales and talking with pupils and working with pupils about what they want to see taught as part of a political education curriculum in Wales. So we've already been to Fishguard to speak to pupils of Ysgol Bryn Elian. Yesterday we went up to Bedwas High School to speak to them and to come up with recommendations which we'll be sending straight to Welsh Government. So today we're in Old Colwyn in Conwy, and we're going to be speaking to pupils in Bryn Elian School and to see what they want to learn to prepare them to be citizens of a 21st century democratic Wales. So I'm looking forward to it.
Hi, I'm Louis. I think that we need to be informed about which politicians we can trust and which ones are reliable.
Hi, I'm Emma. I think that we should learn how to campaign and we need to learn more about politics, so we know.
Okay, we think that there should be political lessons separate to PSE, so that we learn more about politics instead of all of them together.
In-depth lessons on political movement at the moment rather than out-of-date stuff.
And also lessons on how voting works and explanations on how vote impacts politics.
We came up with in PSE, as it's one of the most lessons where you learn the most about politics. We thought every 2 weeks you could set homework on politics so we can learn a little bit more.
We think that we should have lessons dedicated to politicians and politics, so we know more about what's going on.
I don't think I know enough about politics and stuff right now to know what's going on and what's right and wrong just yet.
Okay, great.
I'm just worried I might make the wrong decision.
Our voice is heard.
Our voice is heard.
Our voice is heard!
I think.
Boom.
Our